Hey, what is up, YouTube? Today we'll be doing our Try Not to Laugh challenge, and this is going to be my first one. So let's try not to laugh. I'm gonna do full screen. Oh my god, this always happens there. Oh wait, now I need to put this in full screen. Be right back. Okay, I am back. What is going on? Why? What's funny? What's fun? What is funny? Just what in the Yo, chill. Oh, damn, that must have hurt. That's not funny. It hurts. No, I bet he's gonna fall. I bet $100 is gonna fall. Oh my! I see. I told you. I told you. He's going to fall. He fails. This should be trying to not laugh fails. 3, 2, 1. When you don't know how to count. Da, da, da. Oh, damn, son. She's gonna. She's gonna just. Yeah. Oh. Oh. What are you gonna try to do? Parkour? Parkour. Parkour. Fails. Every batute? What is every batute? Ooh. You smacked yourself with a tire day. And this is a bucket. Push or whatever. Oh. 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 Damn. Just damn. Look at a cat. Why is he chasing? Oh. Did you just do the oh my. Ouch. No, don't jump in. Oh! Oh! No way recovering from that. Okay, I'll be right back, and I'm just gonna pause this video right here. So, okay, I am back YouTube, but as you can see, we missed some videos, so let's go back right here. No, right here. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, I forgot to put my headphones on, no wonder there's no noise. Ouch. Just ouch, if he hit his... Yo, what a fail! Kind of getting the pool correctly. What's going on? Is he gonna fall? No, cats are good at climbing, but is he gonna fall? Hmm. No, you're gonna help him from that, right? Wow. Oh, what? What? Oh, I'm not laughing through this. I guess and in the challenge, I'm not laughing. Ha ha. I'm still not laughing. I'm still not laughing. That one. Chill, kid. Chill. Oh, why is that funny? Why would you laugh at that? Oh, 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 yo. No, stop it. Stop the tire. Yo. See? The cats always land on there. See? They'll be playing. They're playing. Oh, oh. I bet it's gonna hit them in the head. I bet it's gonna hit them in the head. The kid right there with the ball. Oh no, no. Oh, I wish. No, not gonna happen, man. It's like disappearing plates. You have to do it at fast. Huh. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, oh, damn. You got the reflexes of a cat. Oh, you. Wait a dude. I can see a thing. It's so blurry. Why are you recording this? Ah, yeah, when you fall. She's like, she's like, oh snap. Oh, you're gonna fall. Oh, when he gets stepped up. Oh, when you're trying to do a wheelie, trying to dance. When you try to dance and jump, parkour. Oh, you can't even do that. You look, yo. Oh, that must hurt. You can't even beat a kid. Oh, oh, and that kid landed again. Too blurry. What is that noise? Oh, oh, that's why you cannonball, cannonball. You're gonna fail, you know, right? You know you're gonna fail. I told you, told you. Did she broke her ankle or something? Cause she's like, go get mom. Because if I didn't know and did not, skip this ass. Please, freaking skip this ass. Thumbs down. There. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, imagine in his eyes. It was in his eyes that would hurt. Well, looks like falling show. It's a falling show. Yo, you like, get that guy out of, get that guy out of slow motion replay. Get that guy out of here. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, oh. Huh, huh. No, really, that hurts. What the fuck are you trying? What the heck? It's ill. You were so bad at dancing. My eyes, no, seriously, they burn. No, I'm not kidding, they actually burn. Technical difficulties. Okay, I'm back now. Yeah, that's what you missed. My nose is itchy for some reason. Ow! There's something. What did you do, Snowball? Oh, defeated. Phew, phew. Oh, how you die? Oh no. Oh, what is that sound? That is definitely not coming from my computer. Nope, it's not. It's just this. You gotta jump for it. You know you're not a cat, right? So basically, you could basically can't do any parkour because you're dumb. And how can you not feel anything? Oh, oh, slow mo time. Not slow mo. You're gonna fall. Oh, ah, oh. You're gonna fall. Don't do it, please. No. Oh, oh. Do a home run. Come on, you can do it. Do a home run. Come on, Nathan. Do a home run. Oh, yeah, it's still at home though, so it's not a home. Now get this thing out off of here. I wanna watch. I don't want any of your edge. Edge these days. Oh, this is cool. I try to make it. Watch this video, please. This is how to dance. Wow. Oh, okay. Okay. Damn. Just damn. What? Ooh. I need to hear this, people. I need to hear this. Man, that was good. No, I'm going back to that intro. Right there. Damn. You're good. I think I should get that too. Let's go in. Okay, we're just gonna watch like a few minutes of it, so. Well, he gotta go. That's cute. Oh. How to dance. Look at this dude. What's the sound coming from? Oh, what is that? That look. Oh, okay. I thought he was gonna fall. No, like. When he sees someone ugly. Yo, he's like, so there's no puzzle. Oh my god. She's drowning. Save her. Please. I'm just kidding. Lol. 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 Please, one of them fall. It's like, what the heck did you do that? No, no. Wait, what? How? Well, this will be the end of my video today, and if you want more of this, post it in the comment section down below, and bye! That was just fail. That was just a fail, so just bye. Just bye. See, that was a